terry pile fabrics. Terry pile, also known as Turkish toweling, is a class of warp pile structure in which certain warp ends are made to form loops on the surface of the cloth. Only one series of weft thread is used, but the warp consists of two series of threads, the ground and the pile. The ground warp and weft produces ground cloth. The pile warp forms loops on the surface of the ground cloth. The loops may be formed on the one side only or both sides of the cloth, thus producing single-sided and double-sided structures respectively. In this video, we are going to see the construction procedures of terry pile cloth loops on the double side. For this, we can use 2x1 plain weave as a ground cloth and loop formation. Mostly warp loaded weaves are preferable for loop piles in terry cloth weaving. Select the required number of boxes in the graph paper. Mark the ground threads and pile threads in the warp direction. In double-sided terry cloth, the arrangement of warp thread is one ground, one face pile, one ground, one back pile. Here we are using 2x1 plain weave. Then mark the weaves. Ground weave on ground thread and pile weave on pile threads. Two up, one down. Again, two down, one up. It's a plain warp rib cloth. Ground thread. Ground cloth is plain warp rib cloth. Then mark the pile weave. Pile weave also 2x1 cloth. So we can mark the pile weave as 2 up, 1 down. Okay. Then next 1 up, 2 down. So the face pile thread form the loop on the face side of the fabric. On this, the back pile thread form the loop on the back side of the fabric. Next, 4-peak terry. In the 4-peak terries, first 3 peaks are same as 3-peak terry structure. So mark the 3-peak terry structure in the first 3 peaks. Then the 4th peak, same as the peak 1 in the 3-peak terry. The 4th peak, same as peak 1 in the 3-peak terry. So here we can mark the peak 1 as 4th peak. So this is the 4-peak terry, and next is 5-peak terry. Here also the first 3 peaks are same as 3-peak terry. So mark the 3-peak terry structure in the first 3 peaks. Then the 4th peak is same as peak 1. So mark the peak 1 in the 4th peak. The peak 4th peak same as peak 1. So mark the 4th peak. Then the 5th peak is same as 3rd peak. 5th peak is same as 3rd peak. So mark the 3rd peak as in fifth one. So it's the first kind of 5-pick tree. Then second kind of 5-pick trees are here. We can form the second kind of 5-pick tree. Here also the first 3 picks are same as 3-pick tree. In this design, we can use the second pick as a fourth one. The fourth pick is same as second pick. The fifth pick same as third pick. So it's a second kind of view. And the third kind of view is 5-pick tree. Here, the first 3 picks are same as 3-pick tree. So we may form the first 3 picks same as 3-pick tree. Then here the fourth pick same as second pick. The fourth pick same as second pick. And the fifth pick same as first pick. Mark the fifth pick same as first pick. Then 6-pick tree. Here the 6-pick tree. It's a double 3-pick tree. In simple, it's a double 3-pick tree. See here, first 3 picks are same as 3-pick tree cloth, and the second also same as 3-pick tree structure. So mark the first 3 picks as 3-pick tree and second 3 picks as a 3-pick tree. So first 3 picks same as 3-pick tree. And the second also same as 3-pick tree. So here in a 6-pick fabric, 6 picks need to be inserted to make one horizontal row of loops. Most of the terry cloth is produced in a 3-pick structures. 4-pick structures are used occasionally, but the amount of 5-pick or 6-pick cloth made at present is very small range of productions. because of being restricted by the high cost of production. Because of the high cost of production, the 5-peak terry and 6-peak terry are less in production. Here, noted here, the 5-peak terry in this structure and the 6-peak terry in this structure, they are in fast pile anchorage. That is, the first four views, third peak, 3-peak terry, 4-peak terry, and 5-peak terrace of these two are having less anchorage of pile threads with the ground thread. See here, the anchorage, here the one and here the one and these and these. These two fabrics, the pile anchorage is single. So in this 5-peak terry structures, it will make a anchorage in the 2 peaks. That is one up, one down, again one up, then down. So this anchorage will give more firmness to the pile thread. More firmness to the pile thread. In the 6-peak terry also, here it forms one up, again two down, again one up. So it will give a good anchorage to the fabric. Then drawing of threads. Pile threads may be on 2 heeled at the front. The ground threads on 2 heeled at the back. The denting order of terry pile structures are usually 2 threads are placed in each split of the reed. So it's a complete structure of 3-peak, 4-peak, 5-peak, and 6-peak terry cloths.